honey. It's Daddy. Look, if you come out of your room, we'll go to Rumpelmeyer's for some ice cream.
Can't you just let me die in peace?
Ice cream always used to work.
So did chaperoning.
What are you saying? This is all my fault?
No, it's my fault for listening to you in the first place. I never should have gone on that date.
Neither should Maggie. But you pushed her into it.
I didn't push her.
Trust me, you pushed. You always push. Push.
Wait, are you implying that I push? Niles, who's right here?
This darn cold can't hear a thing.
Okay, so maybe I push, but somebody has to. Haven't you ever seen the little baby birds looking out over the edge of their nest? It's the mama bird that has to push them into the world so that they learn to fly.
Haven't you ever seen those little baby birds dead on the sidewalk?
1 in 10 tops.
Well, if only you'd sat in the back of the movie theater like a proper schlep. But no, you had to go be witty and charming and make the boy like you.
Can I help it if I effervesce?
But must you make everyone like you? Even the dog preferred you over Cece.
Oh, now that was pure animal instinct.
And this never happened with the other nannies. With their sour dispositions and chin whiskers.
Chin whiskers? In the age of electrolysis? Ugh, no excuse for that.
But at least the boundaries were clear. I know, sometimes you seem more like Maggie's girlfriend than her nanny.
Her girlfriend? Oh, Mr. Sheffield, you're a genius.
What did I say?
Nothing very profound, sir.
I thought you couldn't hear.
It's a miracle.
Go away!
I couldn't hear you. Did you say come in?
No, but do what you want, you will anyway.
I brought you some Malamars.
I'm too depressed to eat.
Gee, I wish depression had that effect on me.
Do you know how humiliated I feel? Losing my boyfriend to my nanny.
Honey, I think you're too old to have a nanny. I mean, it's okay for Brighton and Gracie, but I like to think of you and I more like friends.
Some friend. Friends steal their friends' boyfriends.
Absolutely not. I mean, take me and Val. Sure, there were plenty of times when we would meet a guy and she would fall in love with him and he would fall in love with me. Or I would fall in love with him and he would fall in love with... No, that never happened. The point is, though, we never let it ruin our friendship. And that's the official girlfriend's code.
The what?
You never heard of the official girlfriend's code? The OGC.
No.
Oh, what do they teach you in those private schools? Rule number 1. You never gossip about your best friend. A totally moronic rule that nobody follows. So we'll move on to rule number 2. If a girl falls for a guy, and the idiot guy falls for her effervescent but totally blameless friend, then the aforementioned friend is obliged to dump him.
You would do that for me?
Honey, it's the OGC.
Maybe I will have one of those Malamars.
Rule number 3, when it comes to chocolate, it's every girl for herself. Oh, is this a great club or what?
We haven't been inside yet.
Oh, we never get inside. You get inside?
Now.
Oh, Fran, there's a cute guy over there checking you out.
Where? Oh, he is cute.
Think you're losing him.
I wonder why.
Oh, sorry. Forgot. Don't even know you.
Oh, my God, is that Alec Poole? Oh, no, I think it's Billy. Wait, I think it's Daniel. Oh, it's Stephen.
Maxwell Sheffield?
Yes.
Please, follow me.
Oh my God, we're getting in!
And you didn't want to bring him!
Excuse me. Are they with you?
No, don't know them. Never saw them. Perfect strangers.
Mr. Sheffield?
Oh, and I might be gay.
Want a jelly donut? Sure, why not? I'm gonna write those people at Exxon a letter. They do a beautiful restroom. Whoever cleaned that toilet should be sent straight to Prince Edward Sound. There he is. Mr. Sheffield, we're over here.
Fantastic club. You can't even move on that dance floor. So what do the two of you think?
Oh, it's like nothing we've ever seen before. Ever.
I met the most incredible woman.
Get out of here. You met someone?
Just wait here. I want you to meet her.
Can you believe he met someone? I'm wearing the Wonder Bra and he gets lucky?
I wonder who she is.
Oh, you know, he's so naive. I just hope he doesn't come walking out with RuPaul.
Val, Fran, this is Leslie.
Love the Oh my God, he's a sprocket.
Niles, have the chauffeur bring the limo around, would you? I'm taking Leslie out to a gallery opening in Soho, then on to dinner and dancing at Matches.
The man's got a life and I don't. It's a world gone mad.
So, what is the mystery woman like?
Well, she's got a lot of hair, she wears a lot of makeup, and very flashy clothes. All in all, I'd say it was a very attractive package.
Oh, I'll get it.
Niles, you know, you don't have to keep announcing that. It's your job. Believe me, no one's gonna horn in on you. Hello? What?
Nothing. Just stay right here until I go get Miss Babcock.
Mr. Sheffield, Leslie's here. Take your time.
Come.
Niles, what is so damn important?
Hi.
Good God, it's multiplying.
I'd like you to meet Miss Babcock. This is Mr. Sheffield's business partner. This is Leslie.
I love your hair. Who does your color?
Oh, it's natural.
Well, I think it's very distasteful of Maxwell to be dating so soon. Isn't a decade the standard period of mourning?
Die and let's find out.
Some house, huh? Boy, when I first came here from Queens, I never had to learn how history.
Tell me about it. When I left Brooklyn and became a CPA, I had a high.
Oh, I hear ya.